Hello student, welcome to this next video of Business Studies class 11, and now in this video we are going to cover auxiliaries to trade. In last video we have already done the types of trade, and now in this video we are going to do the auxiliaries to trade. So what are these auxiliaries or aids to trade? Means these are the activities that help in the smooth flow of trade. Okay, means transport, insurance, banking, advertising, these are termed as auxiliaries to trade. These activities, they help in removing various hindrances. Okay, so now let's see the various auxiliaries to trade. They are starting from transport and communication. Transport helps in movement of raw material to place of production and the finished goods to the place where they are finally consumed. It creates place utility. So students, just note this somewhere that it creates place utility, and I am going to explain you how. And communication, it helps in exchange of information among producer, consumer and trader. So now let's see what transport and communication is. Actually, we all know that the goods are manufactured at particular location. Okay, goods are not manufactured everywhere, they are manufactured at some place and are demanded in different parts of the country. Okay, so this hindrance of place, it is eliminated by transport. Means by transporting the goods from one place to another place, one can remove the hindrance of place. And what are the means of transportation? We all know they are truck, railway, air, water. These are the modes of transport. And like suppose we all know that tea is mainly produced in Assam and Darjeeling, but these tea they are consumed all over the country. And how is it possible? It is only possible because of transport. Means transport, it helps in the movement of raw material to the place of production. Means it is not possible that just the place from where the labor they plug the tea leaf, there only they just pack it and sell it. It is not possible. So the tea leaves, they are taken to the factory and there they are the processing has been done and then they are packed. So these all things means transportation is involved. Means it helps in the movement of raw material to the place of production wherever the production has to be taken, and the finished goods then they are taken from the factories to the different part of the country wherever they are finally consumed. Okay, and what is communication? Communication, it helps in exchange of information among producers, consumers and traders. And we all know the common means of communication are internet, telegram, telephone. So these are common means of communication. Now second is banking and finance. It involves all those activities which are concerned with providing finance for various business activities. It helps in eliminating hindrance of finance. Means first of all, the problem of finance, it is solved by banking. We all know whenever we require money, we take loan from bank. Okay, so it solves the problem of finance. It is solved by bank. Now, you know student, just like blood, it is essential for human body. Similarly, finance is important for business activity, because if there is no finance, you won't do business. A person can't even take a single step without finance, and that is why it is said that finance is a backbone of business. And business require funds for many activities, like for obtaining assets, means machinery and all, then for purchasing raw material, then meeting their daily expenses like electricity bill, water bill. So these are certain expenses of monthly basis. So for all these things, business require finance. And banks, they also provide various other services to business, such as collection of checks, then remittance of funds to different places. So these are certain services which the banking provides to the business. Now let's see the another auxiliary to trade, that is insurance. So what is insurance? It involves all those activities which are concerned with providing protection from various kinds of risk, and it eliminates the hindrance of risk. Means the problem of risk is solved by insurance. That is why it said that it eliminates the hindrance of risk. And means when you are doing business, there are several types of risk, like maybe risk from fire, theft, natural calamities. So these are certain risks, and these all risks can be removed by insurance. A businessman can protect himself from different types of risk with the help of this insurance. Then next is warehousing. It is concerned with storing goods in order to facilitate their supply to the market at right time, and therefore warehousing, it creates time utility. Whenever the product is required, you can supply to your customer. Till then you need to store those goods. Like there are certain seasonal goods, rice, wheat, they are produced in particular season only, but they are consumed throughout the year. So it is necessary to store such goods till they are demanded by consumer. Clear? So that due to the storage of goods, it facilitates the availability of goods whenever it is needed. And therefore it is said that warehousing, it creates time utility. Then comes your advertisement. It involves all those activities which are concerned with providing information about the product to the consumer, and it removes the hindrance of knowledge. So how are we how are we informed about the product? Just because of advertisement. If there were no advertisement, how means the manufacturer, they are not going to each and every person, knocking the door and telling them that this new product has been launched. So how they are informing the consumer? They are informing it through advertising. And therefore it is said that it removes the hindrance of knowledge. Means the hindrance of knowledge, it is being removed by through advertising. So student, here we have done our auxiliaries to trade or aids to trade. And student, as I already asked you in every video, in the end of every video, that if you have any query related to any topic, or if you are not able to understand any point, then you can please ask through comment box. And please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you and take care.